Think of those stars from the 50s scene, jukebox heroes and all the screams. Little Richard and Bobby Rydell, Elvis Presley sings Heartbreak Hotel. Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember?
Lucy, you don't do your daddy's will. Oh, Lucy, you don't do your daddy's will. Oh, now you're round up and married, but I love you still.
Johnny is a joker. He's a bird. A very funny joker. He's a bird. But when he stole my honey, he's a dog. His joking ain't so funny. What a dog! Johnny is a joker who's trying to steal my baby. He's a bird dog. I'm a walking in the rain. Tears are falling and I feel the pain. Wishing you would be by me to end this misery, and I wonder, I wonder why he went away, and I wonder where he will stay. Run away, run away.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, nueve. Attitude had it about a thing she's all. Had two big horns and a woolly jaw. Woolly, 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 woolly.
We like bread and butter, we like toast and jam. That's what my baby feeds me, 'cause I'm her loving man.